Bonjour, dear kids. My name is Rupali, your social studies teacher from Elite American Convent School, Patiala. In last lecture, we have covered vegetation and wildlife, brief history of people and culture of chapter number 9. And today we are going to discuss about houses, food, dress and economy. Let's start with the houses.
Houses. Earlier, Inuits lived in sod houses. These were built of stone and whale rib bones covered with grass and soil. Some Inuits who live in the extreme north make homes or shelters of snow in winter. They are called igloos. These houses are like domes for the snow to fall on either side. They have a hole in the center for smoke and hot air to pass through. The floor is covered with the skin and fur of animals. Permanent houses are also being built in recent years from logs or stones. Tents made of animal skins are also used by people who travel specially during summers. Food. For years, Inuits lived by hunting, fishing and gathering foods during the summer and the spring season. Most of their needs were fulfilled by the animals which they killed. In recent times, they can buy goods brought in from other countries. The Inuits get their food by fishing and hunting. They hunt animals for their meat, skin and fat. Use of motorboats for fishing is also common these days. Dress. To protect themselves from the cold, the men and women and children wear clothes made from the skin of seals. The Inuits are dressed in trousers and hooded jackets to cover their heads. These are called parkas, made from the fur of animals. The Inuits also wear waterproof boots called mukluks that are made from the seal skin. Economy. Greenland is dependent on financial help from the Danish government for more than half of its income. The islanders depend on fishing. The chief products are frozen, tinned, dried and smoked fish and shrimps that are exported. Agriculture is possible only on 1% of the island area. Today the Inuits work in mines, oil fields and construction companies. Nowadays a large number of Inuits have migrated to towns so that better education, medical facilities and means of entertainment are available to their families. Greenland is connected by air to Europe, North America and many other parts of the world. Today Greenland is no longer a remote island. It is now on its way to join hand with the rest of the world. It is making advancement in the fields of science and technology with rapid pace.
Okay students, with these topics we have completed our chapter number 9 of social studies. Now your homework is to go through the chapter number 9